Hi everyone, welcome to IIT Kharagpur. I'm Ankita, a secretary at Communique. We hope this introductory seminar will be very informative and fun for you. If you have any doubts, any queries, the chat box is open to you. We'll address them towards the end of the session. Also, we have many fun activities planned for you, so it would be great if you're attentive. So just be interactive, enjoy, and participate actively. I hope you all prove to be a great audience, and we will fulfill the expectations that you have from us. So let's start the seminar. Trisha, I hand over to you.
Hey everyone. So what is Communique? I'm sure you all must have an idea of it, but you can make a guess in the chat box too. Before knowing what we are and what we do, let's know the meaning of the word communicate. As you can guess, it means to communicate something to the larger public through media or in gatherings. Communique is the official soft skill and personality development society of IIT Kharagpur. It was founded in 2006 by Mr. Anindya Datta to provide a strong platform to help recognize the importance of communication and soft skills in personal and professional life. In a greater picture, it strives towards achieving its goal to inspire, blossom confidence, and equip each KGPN with career building soft skills. So now that you know who we are, let's introduce you to what we do. From case studies to career building workshops, we organize a plethora of events throughout the year. So, Dia, what say? Shall we show them a glimpse of our activities?
Sure. Then let us begin with the external events that we organize. There are just so many events that our society organizes. Naming a few of them. Remember the placement bootcamp that we conducted for the various profiles? That was an enriching experience for sure. And clear guidance for those sitting for the placement. What say, Gaurav?
Yeah, and that was just a small slice in the pizza. What about the internship training week? It provides such valuable insight to the KGPNs pursuing a variety of profiles. It may be finance, core, analytics, product, FMCG, or software. We also help those preparing for internships and placement with the mock group discussions and personal interview sessions with our most esteemed seniors.
Our events are not limited to internships and placements. We also cater to the needs of those pursuing exams like UPSC and CAT. One of the events that you all might remember, just a few days ago, we also held an English language assessment test exclusively for freshers to help them identify their basic English understanding.
I guess we wouldn't be gliding the lilies to declare. Got career related doubts? Don't worry. Communicate's got your back.
Yeah, I second that. Well, that was a lot of events indeed. But does it make you wonder that we conduct only serious panel discussions? No. We also conduct many interesting events as well. Dia, would you like to brief them about the inspiring stories?
Oh, yes, I remember. That was fun indeed. You get to write your heart out on a piece of paper as creatively as possible with no restrictions. We saw active participation from KGPNs, be it our venerated alumni or talented current students. Submissions made were featured on our social page. Hey, let us show them a few events that we organize for our members.
Oh, as in a sneak peek? Okay, if you're on board with us, well, you will get to participate in number of activities which will not only be fun but also help you improve your soft skill. Like we conduct BPD, which is British Parliamentary Debate, which will boost your critical reasoning, structure thought process, proper presentation of opinions, elocution to enhance your confidence and voice modulation, case studies to improve your research and presentation skill, impromptu to foster spontaneity. The list hasn't ended yet. There are many more events we conduct, and you will get to know once you join the team. Since we are discussing events, it will be great to show our fresher some of our events in collaboration with Tom firms as well. Right, Trisha?
Yeah. We also conduct various events in partnership with some of the major firms like American Express, Indian School of Business, LinkedIn School of Business, Wise Up Communication, Erudite, and Geeks for Geeks. Cool, right?
Oh, apart from this, did I mention to you about our dedicated vlogs on a variety of profile? It may be core profile, consulting, software, or analytics.
Don't forget, we also have published two books Playing It Soft, A Newcomer's Guide to Soft Skills, and The Guessing Game, A Handbook to Guesstimates.
And yes, we also have a campus tour view in the lockdown on our YouTube channel to give you a brief idea of a cool and enriching life at KGP. Let's all trust that our luck that we will be soon at KGP. But this luck. Jakteshwar, would you like to say something on this?
Hi guys, I'm Jakteshwar, a Secretariat Communique, and I have a quick experiment for you. And by quick, I mean it should take minimally less time, maybe 5 to 7 seconds. If I were to say it's as easy as the flip of a coin, what would you choose? Heads or tails? But let's try. Anybody ready for some results? Well, if only it was so easy, our lives could be the flip of a coin every day. My dear friends, how many of you believe in luck? Anybody out there who replies to clearing JE as just being lucky? As for me, I'm still looking for that cat crossing my path. That is the power of the word luck. But is there any value to that word? Studies show even today, many of us will attribute our success to luck rather than our skills. How many times have we confused our talent with luck, not giving ourselves the credit that we deserve, not giving ourselves the credit that we've already earned? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you sold yourself short even once. I know some of you sitting there might be thinking he ain't talking to me because I'm actually very lucky. But my friend, I am talking to you. If you believe your success is based partially or completely on luck, then I say you haven't pushed yourself enough. And if you are one of those who says, I am just not lucky enough, then know that you don't need it. Let's make today the day that we change our destinies. We control our future in our own hands with our own actions. Let's try that experiment again. Heads or tails? Well, the results are finally in. But you know what? It doesn't matter. Whatever you do in your life, it doesn't matter. However small or however large anything is in your life, it doesn't matter. It matters on your own actions, not on some luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Jakteshwar, for that fantastic delivery. So, after information and elocution, let's have some fun. I'm Sagnik, and let me tell you something about myself. I make really good jokes. For instance, roses are red, violets are blue. I want a game, and so do you. Kodobi, did you like it?
No, Sagnik, stop with those lame jokes already.
Ouch, that hurt. But okay, let's get on with the game, shall we? So, binging on shows and movies are one of the favorite pastime of all KGPNs, right? Don't lie to me. So, here's what the game is about. We'll show you an image of a movie and you need to describe it in just 3 words. I want all of you to sit back and relax. And I request you to be active in the chat box because this game requires your active participation there. You may send a plus sign in the chat box to let us know that you're ready for the game. It will be a major energy booster for us. In the meanwhile, Corby, why don't you brief them about the rules?
Yes, sure. Hey everyone, so there are 3 quick rules for this game. You have to describe the movie in just 3 words, but you cannot use the words that appear in the name of the movie. Now we will have 3 rounds in this game and you will have 40 seconds in each round to give your answers in the chat box. Lastly, remember to put your answers in each round in a single text box so that it is easier to read and find the good and creative ones among them. Now that the rules have been explained, if you have any doubt regarding the game, let us know in the chat box and we'll try to clarify them.
Remember, there's no need to be shy. Just enjoy yourself and write anything you recollect about the movie, of course, in 3 words.
Okay, so get ready, guys. Here comes the first question.
Oh, ZNMD, splendid. This one was one beautiful movie. Won't you all agree?
100%.
So, guys, let's see how you summarize this one. And your time starts now. You have to use 3 words and describe the movie.
Yes, Tawheed, you're right. You're right. That's the way.
Yes, very correct, Shil.
You will try this one. I'm positive you must have watched this one for sure.
Okay. Yeah. Let me remind you of a meme that was going viral recently. Remember Hrithik Roshan being very angry when Farhan threw away the phone? It had 3 words, if I remember correctly. You can use those 3 words as well. Ashu, Astha, Devika, all of you are extremely right. Those actually summarize the movie quite well. Okay, I guess time's up, guys. Uh, we should be moving on to the next one. A Marvel from Marvel, right? This was kind of the highlight of the previous year 2019, right? Come on, let's see how you summarize this one. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Right, Arpit, right?
W3000.
But Iron Man, yeah. No, Muskan, I don't think all are dead. They've returned, I guess, some of them.
Response now.
Okay, one of the most famous response we're getting is "Love You 3000." That is really nice.
Have
Highlighted dialogue,
have
yeah.
favorite character or scenes in the movie. Personally, I was surprised when I see Cap worthy for the Mjolnir.
Right.
That was amazing for me.
Okay, guys, we are in for the end game. Limit your responses. Time's almost up. Okay. Okay. Right, Harshraj, right. I guess we can move to the next one. Okay, guys, I think all of you have watched this show, right? It's pretty famous and very relatable. So keep your responses flowing. Let's shout some love for Jeetu Bhaiya.
The story was great, but that
Definitely.
settings was harder.
Great responses, guys.
3 words, please. Okay, Vivek, that was nice. Uh,
21
Paul?
days.
Okay, well, thank you, Kauravi. Hello, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed the game. So, taking the baton from the game, here is another interactive session for you all. We have a group discussion for you. So, some of our team members will be performing a typical and honest GD with each member performing a specific role as debater, interrupter, distractor, tail chaser, and people pleaser. I think the meaning of the first three is clear by their name. For the tail chaser, it is basically who just repeats the sentences already said by others. And people pleaser, who remains quiet but when speaks is extremely pleasing. So you all just have to guess the character that suits a person the most. So now let us bring our panelists on the screen. Today we have with us Sankal, Rudransh, Parv, Vidhi and Sakshi. Our topic of discussion is, are all departments equally relevant these days? So I'll quickly tell you the rules. Each one of you will share their views on the topic, and at the end, one of you has to provide a collective conclusion to it. The one initiating the discussion and the one providing a conclusion will get brownie points. So without any further ado, let's start with the discussion. And anyone who would like to go first?
Yes, I'd like to start with the discussion. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone for giving me this opportunity to participate in this group discussion. So, are all the departments equally relevant these days? Well, according to me, everyone who has cleared JEE has achieved their department with extreme hard work. And if they continue to do so in the future, I strongly believe that all the departments provide ample opportunities in their respective fields. In fact, scope in any department isn't limited. Many departments offer various interdisciplinary courses which, when combined with knowledge, paves the way to a better future. Also, relevancy is applicable for the real world in general. For example, computer scientists cannot alone drive the world. We need mechanical engineers and bioscientists too to make things easier and more available to us. However, core jobs are losing their value in the present time, and most companies recruit people who are interested in circuit profiles. And looking at the high unemployment rate of our country, most students just take up any department and then work on developing their software profile. As after all, the major need is jobs. So yes, there are both pros and cons to it.
Yes. I totally agree with what Vidya has to say. Hard work is the key element to success, no matter which department you belong to or which field you're pursuing. If you work hard towards it, you can achieve any amount of success. There are ample of opportunities present in each and every department, and it is on you to take up those opportunities and grow. The scope is not just limited to what people define it as. It is more about what you find interesting and which field you want to explore. There have been instances where people have switched their department from computer science to biotechnology, and now they're doing great as professors in countries like Austria.
Wait. I mean, there have been just a single occurrence of a person going from CS to biotech, but you are emphasizing as if there are many who are interested for the same. For all of us present here, we all understand that relevancy is a keyword. For all of us, the relevancy of our departments is that we can secure a bright future, lead a happy and successful life, and achieve whatever all we aspire for. And we all know the truth that is out there. Many companies just open their vacancies for a few departments only. And if everyone is not getting equal opportunities, then why do you feel that they will prefer each and every department impartially? Also, Vidhi, you claim that there are ample of opportunities in every department. But we all can really see the reality that at the end, what matters is the money involved. Everyone is tempted by the offers where there's a larger chunk of money. Now, I personally believe that this should not be the case, but the society out there has created this scenario, and the world's leading MNCs have been observed to prefer students from the so called circuital departments to fill their vacancies.
Okay, so let me ask you one thing. Is money that all that?
Sakshi, you're on mute
Sakshi,
again.
you're muted, Sakshi. Disconnect.
Let me ask you one thing now. So, is money all that matters in your life? Like,
Yes,
can you buy the satisfaction of working hard and see your efforts come to fruition?
yes,
Well,
maybe.
Rudransh, please let me complete my point. Well, you know you cannot. The only thing you can do is pay your doctors and therapists because you chose money over your well-being. So college is not just about securing a high-paying job. It is about exploring your interests and building a foundation to fulfill your dreams. And are you really going to tell me that all this hype for some branches is not solely the product of over marketing of the packages provided by certain companies to certain department citizens? And if you still deny it, let's see some placement stats from IIT Madras for the academic year 2019 and 2020. The highest salary offered, because well, that's the number everyone has ever cared about. So for aerospace engineering, 30 lakhs per annum. Biotech engineering, 38.7 lakhs. Civil engineering, 37 lakhs. Computer science engineering, 88.82 lakhs. Mechanical engineering, 49.6 lakhs. And do you really need me to go on with this?
Wait. There are plenty of
Yes,
students
so
as far as I remember. So why don't we focus on the average package offered instead of focusing on the highest package offered?
Okay, Rudransh, this is not a debate. Let her complete first. Sakshi, you can continue.
yes, and I actually emphasized on the highest package offered because that is the number printed in the newspapers. And that is the numbers that attracts students to these branches in IITs. You obviously can tell which certain branches we're talking about here now. Now let's consider the number of students placed sector-wise. Rudransh here had contradicted with you on the point of non-circular branches having plenty of opportunities. So for the same academic year in IIT Madras, 374 students were placed in the non-circular sector, which included analytics, consulting, finance, and core, whereas just 189 students were placed in the IT sector. So you honestly do not need to respond to these hyped up things and kill your dreams just to have a rich, short, and meaningless life.
Guys, packages everywhere. Stop it. Is the relevance only related to the packages? No, I don't think so. Engineering overall is a stream of education that involves the application of science, technology, and mathematics. to innovate, design, develop, and maintain various machines, structure, software, and hardware. This field offers a wide range of career opportunities across all the industries and departments. Practicing and learning such subjects from different fields give the students the opportunity to understand that real world better and improvise accordingly.
Parv, can you please stop from distracting us from the topic? I mean, we all are engineering students and we all know that what engineering comprises of. So let's just carry on the topic that we have for the discussion.
Okay, Rudransh, wait, let me complete. Yeah, okay, so let me talk about like people often don't feel happy with the branches and like put efforts to get the department changed as they see more scope in other branches. Now, what I mean by more scope in other branches is like why to waste time and efforts in studying the subjects that are not relevant, that the students are not passionate about. So I totally agree, and it's completely justified in my view that people pushing themselves and like putting efforts, time, and energy in changing their departments in order to study subjects that are relevant to them, that they are passionate about.
Yes, yes. Good points put forth by everyone. And yes, I totally agree with what Perv said on wasting efforts on irrelevant subjects. In fact, adding on to that, in universities, not equal status is given to all departments. Circuitry branches have much more opportunities being given as compared to others.
See, the non-circular branches are surely underrated, but it has nothing to do with its importance in the world. They are judged upon the superficial benefits that come along with it. For example, the COVID-19 pandemic. I don't think some Silicon Valley mogul who specializes in making social media platforms and stream movies online, like etc., have been able to save lives. It's the doctors and biotechnologists who have been used during these hard times. Let's not forget that. And do you think the world would run as smoothly as today if these branches didn't exist? Like, would the IT and software sectors function on their own? And this is exactly the reason why there are great opportunities in the non-circular branches, and they are here to stay because they form the basis of literally everything. If institutes like IIT stop giving importance to these branches, then just consider the consequences it would have globally.
That's a really nice point, Sakshi, and I really liked it. So, what Sakshi just said is that the importance of a particular branch is not just on the superficial benefit that it provides to a individual. It is more about the interest and what excites a particular person in terms of the branch. There have been instances where people have chosen these their interest over these superficial benefits and have changed their department from CS to biotechnologies, as I've already told, and they are now doing great as professors in Austria.
Yeah, total agreement with you, Sankar, that in any department you can succeed if you put up your hard work. But for that, you have to focus on the work that you do. Which brings me to the point that Sakshi, you just selectively pointed out at the work of a person. I mean, what was the need of calling out the Silicon Valley moguls? What do you expect? That every person in this world is a superhuman and he can do the jobs of each and every occupation out there? Let's be realistic. Doctors have saved a humongous amounts of lives and a huge salute to them for coming up with this extreme challenge of COVID. But do you really expect that this would have been possible without the availability of resources that were made available to them by the government and by the industry?
I think, Rudransh.
Yes, I would like to continue if Rudransh has some internet issues. So, yes, I was trying to understand what Rudransh was explaining. And what I think is he was trying to say that everyone has a role to play in the society. And every branch has a difference in the competition level due to some resource constraint that each branch provide. But we as humans have learned to grown over the years in with those resource constraints. We have developed technology, we have enhanced it considering those resource constraints and have grown exponentially over the years. With one's effort and hard work, any person can achieve any amount of success in his or her field. It's not just limited to some resources. Also, there have been interdisciplinary courses
Okay,
where two of
guys,
the
so 10 minutes is nearly up. Please wrap up with the discussion and then we'll move on to the conclusion.
Okay, Samriddhi, I'll just make my last point. So there have been instances of interdisciplinary courses where two of the basic branches have combined together and have grown exponentially over the years.
Okay, so now one of you has to give the conclusion to this discussion, and anyone who like to go ahead?
Yeah, Samriddhi, I would like to go ahead with the conclusion. So, in the end, I would like to conclude this GD with the statement that the term relevance is relative. The importance of every department is different when viewed from each person's and every person's perspective. And from everyone's opinion, what I have grasped is that the world can run in a smoother way if people from all backgrounds, all departments, ace in their own fields and work together smartly in a peaceful collaboration rather than running in a rat race for a more opportunistic department in someone else's opinion. Thank you.
Okay, so well, it was a great discussion. I hope everyone can relate to it. And from the discussion, you might have noticed the difference in participants' personality. So here we start the guessing. Okay, guys, so who you think best suits the character for debater? I think you might have noticed in the discussion. Okay, we are getting a lot of responses. Sakshi, Vidhi. Come on, guys. Okay, some are saying Rudransh. Okay, so next, who you guys think as interrupter? I think this was pretty much clear in the discussion. Who was the interrupter in the discussion? Okay, a lot many people saying Rudransh. Okay. Okay, so next, who you think was the distractor in the discussion? I think it's a little hard, but who do you guys think as a distractor in the discussion? We are saying Rudransh, Sankal, Parvo, the mixed answers. Okay, fine. So next, who you think was the tail chaser? It must be a little clear, I think. Who do you think as a tail chaser in the discussion? Come on, guys, guess for the tail chaser. Okay, Sankal, some saying. Someone saying Par, fine. Okay, so the last one who you think was the people pleaser? Who was the people pleaser in the discussion? Okay, mixed responses again. Vidhi, Sankal, Par. Okay, uh, fine. So as most of you pointed correctly, we had Sankalp as tail chaser, Vidhi as people pleaser, Sakshi as debater, Rudransh as interrupter, and Parv as distractor. So what we wanted to portray through this group discussion is how soft skills play an important role for anyone to put up and express their thoughts to others. I hope you all enjoyed the discussion and you all were really a great audience and it was really interactive. So from here, let's move on to the next section.
Okay, that was indeed a great discussion. Hope you all enjoyed it. We have much more in the store for you ahead. Now we have given a fair enough idea of the events we do. Somehow, why don't we tell our freshers what they're for them and why they must not miss the opportunity to join and communicate?
Yeah, sure. Interpersonal skills. The traits which form the first impression about any individual are his personality and communication skills. As you might have seen, many of you get correctly guessed the personalities by based on their communication skills in the honest GD we had. Communicate, being the official soft skills and personality development society of IIT Kharagpur, aims to equip every KGPN with effective soft skills. And how we go about doing that? Well, the events that we conduct, like elocution, impromptu speaking, those will definitely help you enhance your communication skills. Now, Saras, why don't you tell how Communicate helped you get over your fear of public speaking?
Yeah, sure, Sambhav. Communicate believes that growth happens outside our comfort zone. We help each other to overcome our inhibitions, be it public speaking or taking initiatives to do things. We also engage in solving hard problems by working on different case studies that have real world impact. Our members constantly motivate one another to our limits, creating something bigger than any one of us. Well, now you might have started thinking that communicate is something a serious society. So Tanish, let's brief them about the fun part.
Yeah, sure, Saras. At Communicate, we have a plethora of events, be it internal or external, solo or team based, which provides a fun-filled opportunity to work on your soft skills and develop yourself. This also helps you break the monotony of the online classes. With regular interaction, you will be able to make really good friends and create memories that last a lifetime.
Tanishq, you are still missing the fun part.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, Sambhav. From balloon debates, group discussions to birthday treats, trips, and night outs, we got all the enjoyment for you freshers. Also, do you guys fear that you might miss out some useful information due to this online semester? Well, don't worry. I think some Saras, you'll be able to give them some really good insights on this.
Definitely, Tanishq. We make sure that academics are also taken care of during your tenure. We are seniors to guide you through anything, be it your department change, internship, or placement in different profiles and companies. Profile preparation and CV building workshops are some events which are special to communicate. Freshers, don't worry, we have got your back.
Now, I think we have given our freshers a clear idea about why isn't there any reason to not join Communicate. Now, let's have some fun and another game, shall we?
Now, before moving ahead, just imagine being in the Great Hall at Hogwarts, or maybe in the elven town of Rivendell in the Lord of the Rings. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, give a quick +1 in the chat if you ever wanted to dine in the Great Hall at Hogwarts. And guys, don't worry, you won't have your cuisine ruined by waxy candles. Well, so unveiling another interesting part of this evening, here we are with a game, Where Am I? Rules are simple. You will be shown images of famous places from your favorite movies or animations, and you have to name the place by typing in the chat. So let's roll on.
Don't worry, guys. Be relaxed. If you get stuck in between, you will be given two hints, one after the another. And I hope after these hints, you will be able to guess the correct answer. So let's start this interesting game. Here's the first picture that appears on your screen. So start thinking, guys. Don't be shy. It's only for fun.
Okay, guys, I want each one of you to participate in this game. Don't be shy. Be it your wrong answer, be it your correct answer. Just put down in your chat box. Let's see who can guess it first.
I guess some are guessing the movie name, but you have to tell the place where it is.
Yeah, you are indeed very close one, but not the correct one. You have to guess the place.
I guess some have started guessing correctly. So here's the first hint, guys. I hope this time you will able to guess. Yeah, yes, you are very close to the answer, but not the correct one. Think a little bit.
Close one, heart scratch, but think a little bit more about it.
I think for those who are not getting till now, here's the second hint, guys. I think after this hint, you will able to guess. No, Shreyans, this is not the Rainbow Bridge.
Okay, kudos Janta if you find the correct one, if you guess the correct answer. So the correct answer is Bifrost. So moving on to round number 2. Here is your second picture. Let's try it out, guys. I think some of you might be familiar with this.
Just keep the answer coming in, everybody. No, that's wrong. Well, I can see few correct responses. Others also keep trying. No, it's not the Parliament, Matthew. Well, I can see few correct responses. For those who couldn't guess, here is your first hint. It should help. Well, yes, there are very correct answers now. Okay, since you all got the correct answer, yeah, it is Bank of Spain. So moving on to the next round. Okay, if you were unable to make the guess till now, don't worry. We are only halfway through the game. You have chances left. So this is the next place. Guess it.
Guys,
Yeah, keep trying, keep trying. Oh, there are few creative answers. Okay, no idea. Okay, don't worry, we have hints. Just okay. So okay, there is the first hint. Though it's definitely not IIT Kharagpur ka garden. Okay, if you are finding it difficult still, this is your second hint. Well, I can see some close answers, but you have to name the place, not the movie. Okay, finally there are correct answers coming in. Yeah, amazing that few people could get that hard one, and you obviously guessed correctly. The answer is Cooper Station from Interstellar movie. Moving on to the next round. Rakshit, you are on mute. You're still on mute. Okay, till the time he's unmuting, you can keep guessing. What is this place? Well, Rakshit, you are on mute still. Okay, meanwhile, many correct answers in the chat. Yeah, you got it correct. It is Shinchan. Yeah, you were audible. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you all have guessed it correct. That indeed is Shinchan's home. So, well, I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for participating with such enthusiasm in this game. Now, let's move on. Communique has helped so many KGPNs in improving their soft skills and helped them achieve their dream career. So now it's time to hear from our seniors how Communique has helped them in their overall personality development.
Freshers, I congratulate and welcome you to the heaven called KGP. My name is Adarsh Gupta. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in industrial engineering this year and am currently working as a management trainee at Nestle. I have been associated with Communique since my second year and I've also served as a governor of the society in the academic session 2019-2020. Soft skills will help you in effective communication of your ideas, the innovations which you will be bringing to the table alongside the hard skills which you will learn during your stay at the college. Other than your personal growth, I can assure you that you will find friends which will turn you into your extended family at Communique. I wish you very best for your stay at Kharagpur, and I would love to see you some of you guys to be a part of the Communique, a place where you will cherish lifelong friendship and you will get lifelong support and continuous growth.
This is Divyam Sharma. I'm a final year undergraduate student at the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences here at IIT Kharagpur. I'm also an incoming management consulting associate at the Boston Consulting Group. From my journey to
Rakshit, you are again on mute.
Okay, the screen I think was stuck for me.
Yeah.
So is it visible to you all?
Though I guess it is stuck for everyone.
Oh, okay, okay. So well, I think yeah. Okay.
This is Divyam Sharma. I'm a final year undergraduate student at the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences here at IIT Kharagpur. I'm also an incoming management consulting associate at the Boston Consulting Group. From my journey to first year through into BCG, Communique has been a very important part of my life. My ability to structure, my skills to converse, my confidence on stage have all been influenced very, very positively by Communique. Other than that, I've always enjoyed the company of folks at Communique. I've made some lifelong friendships. The In fact, I've spent more time on on rooms of my friends from Communique than I've spent in my own room. So that's the kind of bonding friendships that you make. I've enjoyed a lot of treats. It's always been exciting. I've always looked forward to interacting with the folks at Communique in KGP. My assurance to you is that you'll find the sweetest seniors here to interact with. They will make sure that the environment within the society is most conducive, most healthy, most fit to build bonds, friendships, and to learn. So we're really excited to have you in our intro seminar, and we look forward to having you on board and seeing you in the interviews. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, Divyam and Adarsh. We are overjoyed to hear from you. And I believe the freshers are as well. Your responses motivate us to keep working and developing together.
So with this, we have come to the end of this session, and I think teams can't manage the enthusiasm of freshers here, and that's why it's stuck. So now if you have any doubts or question, feel free to ask in the chat box. Well, you can ask any question you have if Teams is working properly. Well, Ayush, you will be informed about the selection process through mail, so you need not worry about it now. Just register for the selections and just follow our social pages. The links to all our social pages, that is Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, will be posted in the chat. Just follow that. Yeah, it definitely will be selected, Jay. As I said, just keep following our social pages and you will be informed about everything with time. Well, Shreyas, you need not worry about it now. It should be of least concern to you. Everybody is here to learn and improve. Well, we don't have any specific choice of people we are looking for, Pranav. As I said, just apply for the selection and keep the tempo high. That's all we say.
No, Advait, that was definitely not a criterion. It was just to test your own basic English understanding.
Yeah, there is no upper limit on the number of selections. Apply for the selections, that's all we say. Yes, Sabir, as I said that there is no upper limit, so you need not worry about that. No, you don't need any specific knowledge or any prerequisite, Bhuvan. So relax. There are no prerequisites. Well, time management is also one of the soft skills, yes. So don't worry about that. You will learn everything. Okay, so if you have any more queries, you can contact us through our Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn handles. The links to the respective pages have been posted in the chat box. And yes, keep following our social pages for selections related information. Thank you all for being such a patient and keen audience. Hoping to meet you all during the selections.